Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Panda Touch Pro for pairing and configuration. First, charge it to at least 50% and use the original charger to prevent boot issues. Once charged, hold the top power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the logo appears. This ensures a clean boot. Make sure you have the stylus, micro SD card, and Wi-Fi password at hand. Now follow on-screen language and region prompts so the device boots into setup mode and is ready for network pairing. Next, connect the device to your network. Choose the correct Wi-Fi SSID and enter the password carefully. If you hit connectivity issues, switch to 4 GHz because some modules handle it better. Once online, sign into the device account or create one. This links licenses and enables cloud sync, which preserves settings. After signing in, install any system updates the setup recommends. Updating first prevents later conflicts with apps and accessory drivers, so take that minute now before adding peripherals. Finalize by pairing accessories. Open Settings, choose Bluetooth, and put the stylus or keyboard into pairing mode. Confirm firmware versions and update accessories if available so performance is optimal. Then customize display, touch sensitivity, and gesture controls in accessibility or display to match your workflow. If the tablet is unresponsive or won't connect, reboot first. If that fails, reset network settings, and only then perform a factory reset. This clears persistent issues, but make sure your data is backed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.